This region's really on the rise. Silicon Valley has exploded in the last, 10, 20 years. And I think people are looking for an escape from the day-to-day hustle, of corporate and technology and anything. So coming to Gilroy now is a very unique spot for them to come see. It's a little bit off the beaten path. We're such a unique property in the sense that it's calm. Okay? It's a very safe place to bring your kids. It's calming with the trees and the atmosphere. It's not your typical concrete jungle, I like to say, of a theme park where it's just roads and shops and buildings left and right. You get that nice peaceful break and connect with the nature around you. I think that our efforts and our education and our nonprofit of the Gilroy Gardens really helps highlight how unique this property is. I like to always say, we're not the typical theme park experience. This is going to be something you're not going to forget, because you're not going to see a theme park like this, throughout California to this day. And I still can't find another horticulture theme park in California that really focuses and emphasizes the history of the region as well as we do.